Hey scientists, I'm here in my kitchen and I'm with my kids who are on summer break, and we are going to scour the internet, specifically TikTok and Facebook, and try to find some fun, exciting science experiments to do at home here in our kitchen. So come along with us and we'll see what we can come up with. Okay, so I'm gonna have my kids watch this science experiment and see if they would like to try this at home today on our summer break. All right, hit play.
What? This is not chemistry. What?
You guys want to try it? See if it works?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's give it a try. Okay, so if we look at the comments, they pinned the recipe for this. All right, so I'm gonna have my kids grab a shallow white plate or flat dish, a cup of sugar, granulated sugar. We'll need some food coloring, a 1/4 cup of warm water, a tablespoon of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and a squeeze bottle or dropper. All right, so we're gonna gather our ingredients here. And then if you scroll down, it has the instructions. We're gonna get started on this. I'm gonna have them put a cup of sugar into the white plate.
Okay, so we have our 1 cup measuring cup here, and then Ellie is gonna get out the sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour it on.
Pour it onto the plate. Here. It's kind of hard to see.
It's white on white, you know. Sugar. Sugar.
Okay. Now we're gonna spread it out. You can use this. So then it says that now we'll have a smooth white canvas. So, yay.
I'm enthusiastic today.
Okay, we have our canvas. Now let's do our rainbow colors. So you guys can drop a whole bunch of colors on there. Just drop them all over your blank canvas. Okay.
Now this definitely does not look like a video, as you can see.
All right, let's backtrack. Let's see what the video looked like.
Sugar.
Okay, so there's this. I mean, let's see. I think some of these kind of looked like that.
The blue one is like black.
Well, their food coloring might be different than our food coloring. So let's see what it says to do next. Okay, it says in a small bowl, combine a tablespoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of warm water. All right, so we'll get a tablespoon of baking soda.
Warm water.
1/4 cup of warm water. Okay, and then I'll have you guys just stir that up. Okay, that's nice and dissolved. This is our baking soda. We'll just drizzle it on to make a beautiful marble effect according to the...
works.
Yeah, that...
Kind of.
Well, you only put a little on, so let's just see what happens here. Okay, I feel like we are achieving the marbling effect here. So we'll get another small bowl and we'll put our vinegar in it.
Whoa. Just spill this, I know that.
That's probably enough. You don't need a whole lot. Okay, so let's see what this video does here. So you add the rainbow drops. So they did this real fast. So first, here they're adding the baking soda.
It looked like that?
That's what they did with their baking soda. So yeah, you see how they have these drier parts? So we're gonna definitely want to drop ours over here by the drier parts.
Should we, like, pour it out?
No, because I don't want to kind of mess it up. But do you see how over here it's nice and marbly and dry? So that's where you're gonna want to drop your vinegar. So let me look at the video here. Hang on, don't add it yet. And so they have their baking soda solution on there, and then when they drip their vinegar right here, it makes like stalactites.
It says fireworks.
It says fireworks, but they kind of look like stalactites to me. So let's
stalagmites. Mites on the ground, tights.
hang on tight to the ceiling. You're right. Okay, they look like stalagmites. Mighty mites growing up. So let's see what happens here.
Whoa. Wow, it fizzes. It does
Winky things.
This is actually kind of fun just to watch it sizzle.
Yeah.
But
Here, Leona, I'll go get. Oh, I was gonna say you can get a.
Yeah, that is so fake.
Maybe they're micro stalagmites. Let's see. Like super tiny ones.
I just see bubbles.
it's gonna pop up like this. You can call it.
Okay, keep dripping some on. Let's see.
It just bubbles.
And do you guys know why it bubbles?
Because of the baking soda and vinegar, it mixes together and it makes
Reaction.
Okay, so do you remember what kind of molecule, what kind of compound vinegar is?
acid.
Yeah, what kind of
Base.
baking soda is a base? What happens when acids and bases react together?
They bubble.
Why do they bubble? What are they making?
Gases.
They are making gases. Yeah, so when acids and bases react, they neutralize each other. So the hydronium ions on the acid interact with the hydroxide ions on the base. They make water in a neutralization reaction because water's neutral. Ooh, that one was cool. And as they neutralize each other into water, they also make carbon dioxide gas.
It works better on the water.
Yeah, maybe there wasn't enough base to react.
Whoa. I mean, it kind of made.
It just bubbles up. It doesn't really make stalactites.
They don't like stay up like the ones in the video do.
Yeah. So do you think that video was showing real science?
I mean, kind of, but it kind of.
Whoa, Christmas time is here.
It kind of exaggerated it.
Like a lot.
Yeah. So do you think that video was a real video?
No, I don't know. It just didn't look very realistic.
So how do you think they made that video? Yeah.
Bad idea.
Yeah, that
Bad.
makes it all perfect with no mistakes, which is not realistic because look how ours turned out.
Kind of a muddy mess. So do you think even though it doesn't look like the video, is this still kind of fun or no?
Yes, it's still kind of
Just
fun.
maybe don't add as much baking soda water.
Yeah, but it is kind of fun to watch it bubble up.
Yeah. So you think people should still try it, but just sort of temper their expectations to not have exciting glowing crystals?
Yeah. It's kind of like some videos show like baking soda video and vinegar volcanoes. Those are kind of exaggerated too because it shows it like exploding, but it really just bubbles.
Okay.
But it's still kind of cool.
Yeah.
Kind of exciting.
Okay, well I'm going to turn off the video. You can keep playing, but let's go back to this and see if ours turned out the same way.
Definitely not. Nope.
Look how fake that is.
Yeah, I'm not even going to add glitter to it because I don't want to waste glitter on this.
And also, it will just sink down to the bottom of this.
Yeah, like why doesn't it sink? How is it so solid?
because it's a.
What else do you notice about this video that's different from ours?
It doesn't. The colors don't mix in the water.
Not just that, that's true, but what happens when they add the vinegar that's different than ours?
It shoots.
It shoots up, but what doesn't the video have as much of?
Bubbles.
Yeah, it doesn't have the bubbles,
But
which
ours
is really
only bubbles.
yeah, which is really what the reaction between an acid and a base produces. Is it produces gas, right?
Which is.
And so it
bubbles.
doesn't even really show the gas. So interesting. All right. Well, thanks for helping me do this experiment, you guys.